Yes. Yeah, I bought almost all these pieces of furnitures at Ikea in Renton, as I shown in that clip I filmed this morning. See this reading desk, all these bookshelves. See the books in English, the Harvard Business Review, Business Weeks, all this documentation, and all those books in Chinese. Yeah, particularly on that shelf, those are all the books I bought when I was a teenager in Beijing. I used to have actually probably 4 or 5 times of the total currently on that shelf, but I lost most of them. And on this shelf, actually, those are all the books, so-called 24 Dynasties. It's all about the it's about the histories of all dynasties in Chinese history, actually. So a lot of strategies, tactics, and conspiracies in it. If you read all of these books, you probably will become the very top politician in the world. And yeah, those actually, the Chinese books, the books in Chinese, my dad actually bought before he moved to States. But anyway, so even I think this chair was bought. I bought this chair at IKEA as well.